Art Museum School of Art is a long-standing studio program at the Montclair Art Museum in New Jersey. We have a range of studio classes and workshops and camps for kids on through adults. At the museum, we're really committed to fostering and celebrating creativity. And we understand that our students come from all different skill levels. They could be, a young child wanting to explore materials, or someone who recently retired and is, looking to tap into their creativity, and could be a teenager who is considering going to art school and wanting to build their portfolio. So we have classes every day of the week. Oil painting classes and landscape or portraiture, printmaking classes. We have like a dozen pottery wheels in the ceramic studio. So a really great way to introduce yourself to art in a very, very tactile way. That's a lot of fun for our students. We also have private instruction for someone who has very specific goals in mind. And recently, we've become a provider for the NJPAC Arts RX prescription arts program. So we understand the broad needs and the broad impact that art can have on our visitors. So really, the museum and the School of Art is for everyone. I really encourage you to go to our website, check out more information there, and then come to the MAM School of Art.